Utica Alloys, established in 1965, has become a world leader in the processing of recycled scrap materials destined for the vacuum melt super alloys markets. Super alloys that will be used in the manufacturing of rotating parts in jet engines and within the power generation, oil, and chemical industries. Utica Alloys is a company made up of chemists, metallurgists, engineers, MBAs, and skilled laborers who understand the need for exactness. Utica Alloys is proud to have ongoing relationships with major melters, forgers, and manufacturers worldwide, establishing Utica Alloys as an integral part of the supply chain. As a processor and supplier of scrap containing nickel, cobalt, molybdenum, titanium, columbium, chrome, and tungsten, the thousands of pounds of scrap material received every day must be carefully logged, assigned a lot number, and begin a journey through a meticulous system of sample analysis and processing.
Hey, Edgar.
Seen here are crushed turnings that have thus far been found to be in specification for vacuum melt application. The material has undergone cleaning through a kiln thermal process. Other in-specification materials may be cleaned by vapor degreasing. An automated statistical sampling system collects material that is prepared for lab analysis. Utica Alloys maintains a complete in-house chemical laboratory that can detect elements with concentrations of less than 1 part per million in alloys. This fully equipped and professionally staffed laboratory will again analyze representative samples that have been made into a uniform button, as well as lathed chips from the same button. The sample will be analyzed for all major elements: trace analysis, carbon and sulfur analysis, X-ray analysis. If the material is determined suitable for vacuum melt application, it is given a Utica Alloys chemistry certification and guarantee. Meeting a specific customer's specifications, the material is then packaged as instructed by the melter and shipped. Utica Alloys operates a 32,000 square foot solids processing operation in Rome, New York, a short distance from corporate headquarters. Scrap solids are processed at this location. Each lot is carefully checked for foreign materials, configuration of solids, foreign alloys, and attachments. Lots are then sorted using state-of-the-art instruments, including wet analysis, X-ray, and spectroscopy. The material is then sized and may require mutilation of life-limited parts using torches, shears, and shredders. Samples are sent to the laboratory for complete analysis, including trace elements. If the material is found to be suitable for vacuum melt application, it is cleaned by shot blasting or vapor degreasing. It is given a Utica Alloys chemistry certification and guarantee, packaged per the melter's instructions and shipped. Quality control is considered a top priority at Utica Alloys. We have a thorough and tested quality control manual that is continually updated. An experienced staff of quality control and quality assurance personnel are specifically dedicated to support the standards of the quality control manual. Innovative management has produced unique programs such as scrap partnerships, which allows Utica Alloys and the scrap generator to cooperatively improve the quality of the generator's scrap stream, increasing revenue. Management of the disposition and recycling of all components of a company's metallic scrap stream, including nickel, cobalt, and titanium base metals, ferrous and non-ferrous scrap. And when materials are received, individual lots are assigned their own identification number that provides and correlates to chemistries, production status, and more. This unique tracking system allows us to use a computerized charge makeup program to design stainless steel heats or vacuum induction melt and argon oxygen decarburization heats for aerospace application. Through superior management practices, Utica Alloys has passed all customer, environmental, safety, and financial audits. Unlimited expertise and handling capabilities highlights Utica Alloys' abilities to service all scrap generated by a customer. Partnership programs may require on-site operations, such as this one in Phoenix, Arizona. You might say that the full circle of the scrap stream begins with machining. Turnings are carefully gathered from the machines, making sure not to include any solids. They are then taken to a secured staging area for preparation for shipment to Utica, New York for processing. Great care is given to the material being prepared for shipment. Containers are cleaned after each movement of turnings to maintain the integrity of the lots. The turnings receive their first analysis for lot tagging. The turnings are baled and weighed for shipment to Utica. In another area, sorting and mutilation of life-limited parts are being prepared for shipment through the use of high-tech torches and special sawing applications. Special precautions are taken to ensure that these parts are mutilated beyond use and are then securely packed for shipment. Utica Alloys, an integral part of the supply chain, servicing melters, forgers, casters, fabricators, and manufacturers. Building partnerships, benchmarking high industry standards and practices the world over.